Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. This comes in a black exterior with a two-tone red and black interior. See SRT badging throughout, those red calipers back there. Beautiful interior. And that two-tone is very, very striking. Got a sunroof there. Blind spot assist. Let's come around to the back of the vehicle. So you'll see Dodge, SRT Hellcat, Durango badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. So here's our trunk space. This is the third row seat here, which easily folds down. You see a little extra storage. Brand new all-weather mats, and to close the trunk we just have this button right here. Really beautiful interior. And again, those seats fold down in case you need any extra storage. You also notice the SRT Hellcat stitching here on each of the seats. And third row. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Premium carbon cardan stereo system. Door controls. You have memory seats here. Here's the driver's seat controls. Driver's seat. Steering wheel. Then hop inside the vehicle. And mileage is currently at 10,524. Do have a push button ignition. Just the memory seats and memory steering wheel just adjusted here based on the previous settings. And we've got navigation, radio, and a backup camera. Climate control, shifter, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.